Good morning. So today we'll be talking about expansion using binomial theory. In expansion using binomial theory, we use combination to obtain. To obtain our coefficients, of expansion instead of using the Pascal's triangle coefficients. So for more understanding, I will advise you to go to my videos on combination so that you know how to work out combination. So we are going to take examples. Use binomial theory to expand the following. Use binomial theory to expand the following. Use binomial theory to expand the following. A, x plus 3 raised to power 4. B, 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So let's take solutions. Let's take our solutions. A, x plus 3 raised to power 4. So if we are doing this, we start from 4. So here will be 4 combination 0. This x will have the highest power, x raised to power 4. Then 3 will be 0. Plus the combination will be increasing. 4 combination 1. X raised to power 3. 3 raised to power 1. Plus 4 combination 2, x raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2, plus 4 combination 3, x raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 3, plus 4 combination 4, x raised to power 0, 3 raised to power 4. So the powers remains the same, like in the case of the Pascal triangle, where this power will be decreasing by 1, the other power will be increasing by 1. But for the combination, we always start from combination 0 and increase it until it gets towards the highest combination. So this is 4 combination 0 for the first expansion, 4 combination 1, 4 combination 2, 4 combination 3, 4 combination 4. For instance, if the power is 5, we start our combination from 5 combination 0, 5 combination 1, 5 combination 2, 5 combination 3, 5 combination 4, before we get to 5 combination 5. So now for this combination, so we need our knowledge on combination So 4 combination 0 is 4 factorial over 4 minus 0 factorial, 0 factorial. Then we have x4 1 plus 4 combination 1, 4 factorial, 4 minus 1 factorial, 1 factorial, x3 into 3 plus 4 factorial, 4 minus 2 factorial, 2 factorial into x2 3 2 plus 4 factorial over 4 minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, x1 27 plus 4 factorial, 4 minus 4 factorial, 4 factorial into x into 181 into 181. So at the end of the day, we have 4 factorial over 4 factorial 1. 4 minus 0 is 1, which is 4 factorial. Then 0 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1 into x raised to power 4. So here will be x raised to power 4 plus 4 factorial, 3 factorial, 1 factorial into x3 3 plus 4 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial, x2 9 plus 4 factorial, 1 factorial, 3 factorial, x4 plus 4 factorial, 4 factorial, 0 factorial, 4 factorial into 81. Good. So we are going to continue. So here will be, this can cancel this here because x4 plus 4 factorial this, if we are solving this using our normal combination, we have 4 factorial over 3 factorial. We have 4 factorial 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 3x3 plus 4 times 3 times 2 factorial 2 factorial 2 times 1 into 9x squared plus 4 factorial 1 factorial 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial into x4 plus 4 factorial 1 times 4 factorial into 81. So if we are going to do this, at the end of the day, 3 factorial will cancel 3 factorial. Yes, 3 factorial will cancel 3 factorial. 2 factorial will cancel this. So we have this will cancel this. Then this one will cancel this. Then this one will cancel this. So at the end of the day, our final answer for this expansion will become x4 plus 12x3 plus 54x squared plus 1 108x plus 81. So this is the answer for the expansion. So let's take example 2. Example 2, we have 2x minus 1 raised to power 5. So this equals to 5 combination 0, 2x raised to power 5 minus 1 raised to power 0 plus 5 combination 1, 2x raised to power 4 minus 1 raised to power 0 plus plus 5 combination 2, 2x raised to power 3 minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 5 combination 3, 2x raised to power 2 minus 1 raised to power 3 plus 5 combination 4, 2x raised to power 1 minus 1 raised to power 4 plus 5 combination 5, 2x raised to power 1, 2x raised to power 0 minus 1 raised to power 5. So if you work out 5 combination 0, it will give 1 bracket 2x raised to power 5 will give you 32 x raised to power 5. Then 1 plus 5 combination 1. 5 combination 1 will give you 5. So in 5, 16x4 raised to power 1 16x4 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 combination 2 will give 10, 8x3 raised to power 1 plus 5 combination 2 will give you 10, 4x2 raised to power minus 1 plus 5 combination 4 will give you 5 combination 4 will give you 5 so 5 combination 4 5 into 2x minus raised to power 1 plus 1 into minus. So at the end of the day, we have 32x raised to power 5, 32 minus 80x raised to power 4 plus 80x raised to power 3 minus 40x squared plus 10x minus 1. So this is the answer for our expansion. Thank you very much.